If you're experiencing frame stuttering while playing Roblox, there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. Follow this guide to help resolve the issue. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Roblox. This includes having a compatible operating system, sufficient RAM, and a capable graphics card. Upgrading hardware may be necessary if your system falls short. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Outdated graphics drivers can cause performance issues. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and download the latest drivers. Install them and restart your computer to see if performance improves. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Lowering the graphics settings in Roblox can help reduce stuttering. Open Roblox, go to the settings menu and adjust the graphics quality slider to a lower setting. Test the game to see if the stuttering persists. Step 4. Close background applications. Running multiple applications simultaneously constrain your system's resources. Close any unnecessary programs and browser tabs before launching Roblox to free up CPU and RAM, which may help improve performance. Step 5. Check internet connection. A poor internet connection can lead to lag and stuttering. Ensure you have a stable and fast internet connection. If possible, use a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi and consider resetting your router if you experience connectivity issues. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate frame stuttering in Roblox. Enjoy a smoother gaming experience.